First off, I'm surprised how anything survives shipment from China without being broken. This is the lamp, and it has a touch button on it. Low, medium, high, and off. Inside here is a very small battery. So what I'd like to do is take this apart and put in a longer lasting battery. Now, watching him take his apart, he pretty much tore up the pads, so I'm going to try to warm them up and take them off carefully, a little more carefully. Now, you could use a blow dryer to do this, or a heat gun, but you better be very careful because those get very hot. There's screws. A little spudger. And there it is. That is a very small battery, and from what I understand, it's probably 250 milliamp. Doesn't have any protection. So I need to remove the battery. The good old Radio Shack Flux. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay. There we go. Keep it clean. I have a few of these TP-Links, which are portable wireless routers, which is like an extender. And in them is a really nice 2 amp lithium-ion battery with protection. 2000 milliamp hour, limited charge voltage 4.2, so that tells you never charge these over 4.2. Shows that this is the negative. That's the positive. Let's see what kind of charge we have on this. I have over 4 volts, which is ideal. It's held a charge very well. 2 or 3 months since I've charged it. Very good. Melt the plastic a little bit, but what are you going to do? Alright. I'm going to use my USB soldering iron because it is more delicate of a soldering iron for small little pinpoint solder points. That will be just fine. The only trick to soldering is holding it still long enough for it to cool. I think I got it. And we have contact. On the bottom of the battery, a little sticky pad. One should suffice. Everything looks pretty good. Get those wires out of the way so the little feet go in. It's even a little heavier. That's a better, longer lasting battery. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sirree. And our little bitty rubber feet survived. Good enough. Off. Low, medium, high. Off. And I'm going to use this on my bedstand.